Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara, and here we do unboxings and reviews, and so like, subscribe, comment. We are at 145. We were at 146, and got knocked back down to 145. Not sure why. Don't know what's up with that. It's so strange, but yeah. So like, subscribe, comment, and share, and do all the things that will help. So sorry, like, it's after work, and the day has worn on me, but I came in and I have my Louise, and I just get so excited and I want to share it. So I've not looked at it, so let's unbox this. I love getting P. Louise. This is my favorite box. This and then Lorella. So, all right, here we go. Okay, so first we have Partner in Pink. I'm so glad that you're mine, my partners, and my prime. So I'm guessing this is a primer. I don't know what it is. Her stuff is usually always pretty easy to open. Like, I can sit here and have such a hard time opening some stuff, but her stuff I can usually get right into. Okay, so there's, as always, her lovely packaging. And I wanted to say, my last couple of videos, I don't know if I had something on my phone, but I'm sorry, those last two videos looked absolutely horrible. And I did not realize it until later, because I usually don't watch them back until, I mean, if I even do watch them back. So yeah, I happened to watch them and was like, that looks awful. Well, come on. So a little drop came out, and it's just some very light, not much of a smell. I mean, I guess it's just a bit of primer, sculpting primer. Interesting. I've never heard of sculpting primer before, so I am excited to check that out. Okay. Now we got a couple more of the cheek of it. Okay, so this is a bronzer. Good. I was thinking that it was going to be another blush, and I was going to say, okay, now I'm getting a little overran with blushes. So yeah, I love my bronzers, and I love my highlighters. So I'm really hoping to get an awesome highlighter from her. It would be awesome if, okay, no, I got two bronzers. So we'll try. You can still kind of see. Ooh, I should have had a brush over here. I do. Okay. All right, so let's check this out. Oh, I might have done a little too much. Or this just might not be my color too. Oh, okay, that's it. Ooh, that's weird. I'm gonna have to, like, I'm used to the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer where, I don't know, I take my brush and dab it and make a line. So yeah, I'm gonna have to work with this a little bit, because it's a lot more watery, I guess is the word that you would use. But I mean, yeah, can you see it? I don't know if I should make like some little dots, and okay, I wish I had a sponge right here. I'm gonna have to just make a little, I wish that I could film at, wrong lid there, genius. I'm gonna have to do a little setup here. I wish I could film at my my makeup. Oh my gosh, why I couldn't think of it when the last video. My makeup. Why can't I think of it? I hate. Oh, that drives me crazy. I cannot think of the most simple, stupid words. My vanity. Yay, there we go. I mean, you guys, I appreciate you sticking with me, because I'm sure that you are just like, what is wrong with her? It's just something I have to live with. I have short-term memory loss, and I just simple words for some, and like I automatically start to freak out. So then it just makes it that much worse. Okay, so that's an even darker bronzer. I should have done one side and then the other. All right, let's check this one out. I'm almost scared to try this one. All right, let's see. And this is going to be on top of that one, of course. Whoa. But yeah, I wish I could film at my vanity, because all of my brushes, that's where all my brushes and stuff are. So one day, that is the goal, is to either figure out the best way to set up my vanity and film. I mean, because it's kind of impossible the way that it's set up. I did it one day, and it was just, I don't know, it kind of worked, but then it kind of didn't. Okay, so we're at last but not least, but it looks like a palette. So it is But Does It Come in Pink? And there's one palette that I've been wanting from her so bad, and it's a nude palette. I feel like I have so much pink and purple. I mean, I've seen this. I mean, it's beautiful, and she has absolutely the most pigmented colors in the world. So, oh, I don't know if I should, because I already have so many pinks. I don't know if I want to get into it or if I want to keep it for a giveaway. I don't know what to do right now. I mean, I want to get in it. So there's a couple. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I cannot help myself. I can't. Okay. So I'm loving this color right here. I mean, and if I don't use it, like I can still, I mean, I'm sure somebody would be like, yeah, I'll take it. Like you just touched it. Yeah, I'll take it. But like, I really want to start taking colors like this one right here, putting it on, because I do a light color and then I do a dark color in my crease. But something I've been seeing a lot of lately is just dark, and then you just go up to a lighter of the same color. So I think I'm going to try to do that with this palette. I don't know what I'm doing right now, because I don't ever put on, but oh man, that is the exact kind of color that I have been thinking of doing. So wow. Oh, what one did I get in? I already can't tell. Darn it. Okay, maybe this one? I think it was this one, yeah. Yeah, I'm really going to have to start keeping some brushes over here for when I just decide to start putting on some makeup. So, wow. Oh, and it matches my shirt. All right. I'm going to stop there. And it's like, do I put a darker color in the crease, or do I just keep going up? Like, make that darker? And I don't know. Okay, so this is going to be fun to play with. Everything that I get from her, I love. And I mean, she's a makeup artist who absolutely has it down. And I love that she's young. I love that she's figured out. I mean, she has just gone out, grabbed life by the balls, and done it. And it's such an inspiration, even at my age. Like, there's still so many things that I could do. I have thought about becoming an esthetician, but I already have, student loans that I get to start paying for. And so I don't know. I don't need to get myself further into debt. But it would be, I wish I would have figured some of this stuff out, when I was younger. But it's okay. I'm very happy in my life now. Just doing the things that I do, doing this little channel. I mean, it means everything to me. Every time I get a new subscriber, every time I get a like, every time I get a comment, it makes me feel wonderful. I absolutely love it. So, and thank you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for the comments, for the likes. Like, if it wasn't for you, I would definitely not be here. So, yeah, I guess I'll end it there. Do not forget, if you want to order from Truly, which I'm getting ready to do a Truly video. I think I want to wait though until tomorrow because the sale's already passed and I think everybody kind of knows what they got in their box already. So there's no need for me to do it today. But I will show you and review what I did get from the Labor Day sale. That Labor Day sale was awesome. That was one of the best sales I think that they've had, because if you spent $150, you got $150 in product. And I will go ahead and show you my new bag. The Truly has me with these bags. I've never carried a purse ever, and now all of a sudden, like, I'm all into these bags. But if the skincare wasn't good, I probably wouldn't care at all about the bags. It's just a incentive, I guess, to keep, you know, with them. So, all right, I'm going to shut up now. Yeah, I always start talking about stuff. Yeah. Okay. So, P. Louise, this is September, and shipping. I wanted to talk to you about the shipping. So, this is a 40 something dollar box. Like, I think it's 42, 43. Order it. It is here within a week and a half. And it comes from the United Kingdom. It just blows me away that there are some places that I order from and it takes 2-3 weeks to get here, which that is clever. Like, I've thought about letting Clever go, but I don't know. I get a lot of views on Clever, so I haven't made up my mind yet. So yeah, and I still haven't got my 2 packages from them. So I really don't know what to do. I'm going to see what I get in this box that is supposed to be here in a few days. So we'll see. All right. I'm really going to shut up now, and I will see you guys in the next. Bye.